This project actually has received a funding from European Commission. Not only from the European Commission, also we received some another funding from our Research Council, TÜBİTAK. This is a collaboration, a strong collaboration between the research universities in Turkey.
I'm the manager of the A2M2 Tech project. And before I go into details, and I'm not just saying it, I want to share my excitement and also to tell you that I'm really, really proud of this project, through which brand new research activities will be carried out. The ESRs will have the chance, not only focusing on their research, but also have the chance to enhance their scientific community.
Good morning, everyone. It's a very great pleasure for us to be a kind of partner and host institution from European Union side.
You know, to get a degree and then finished everything. And you're talking about brand new research findings where really you want to build your career on. And then they will have their own space in technoparks and continue to 2021. And then please don't miss out this deadline.
Mustafa, and last name is Güden. I am from İzmir Institute of Technology. I'm just wondering, is there any insurance package for the students?
Once they've signed the contract, actually, we will obtain special work permit for them. And then also they will be part of the health system and social security system here.
It's really a valuable experience for me, work with this group. And yes, thank you for this opportunity.
And I also believe in new smart materials and nanotechnology. So I'm interested in a PhD program in this sphere. So thank you for your presentation.
Thank you very much for your contributions, and please do apply to the positions, and then we will be very happy to see all of you in our research center.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.